Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Invoke Custom Function in Power Query. So I have my simple data here with product type, volume, and also the price in USD. So in another sheet, sales sheet here, I have an additional column, which is the total revenue. And the formula behind that is just the volume multiplied by the price multiplied by the foreign exchange rate, which is 49 pesos per 1 USD here in the Philippines, just for example, and that's the same here. Now, that's a simple formula that you can use within the worksheet, but the trick here is to do the formula back end using the Power Query. So let's do this in another worksheet. So this is my data. But the first thing is to go to the data tab and then get data and from other sources and blank query. So let's create the function first and rename this as function rev, as in revenue. So that's it. Now I'm gonna use this advanced editor, use this let function, and I'm gonna replace that with a variable, declaring a variable which is the revenue. So revenue, that's the variable, equal. We need parameters for that, which is the volume, and then the price, and then the forex. So any naming will do. Close parenthesis, and then use the go-to sign, the equal sign, and greater than sign, and then declare the formula of the revenue, which is the volume multiplied by the price multiplied by the forex. So that's a simple let function. And then we're going to display that using our single variable here, which is the revenue. So replace the source with revenue. And then that's it, done. Click done, and that's it. We have the parameters here, the function here. Now go to Home tab and close and load. And that's it. You have created a connection here. Now let's load our data. Choose any of your data and go to Data tab from Table Range. And then, okay. Now, here we're going to add the total revenue column. And to do that, add column. Choose the add column here. And then invoke custom function. Choose that. And then for the column name, let's use total revenue. And then choose the function query. Function rev, that's the only function that we created. Choose that. And we need parameters. For the volume, let's select the column here as the volume. Then for the price, on the drop-down list here, choose column name. And then under that, choose price in USD. Now for the forex, just type it like for instance 49 and OK. That's it. We have the total revenue. Now go to the Home tab, close and load to, and then let's put it in the sales sheet. So existing worksheet, then go to sales sheet and cell A3 and OK. And then go back to that, and that's it. We have the revenue. Let's check it here. Like if we have product type 5, let's say we have 1,500, price of 27, and then go to data tab and then refresh all. We have that. Now we can check it like the volume multiplied by the price multiplied by 49 for forex, and that's the same. Now you can also change the forex if 49 is not the current foreign exchange rate. Go back to the query and select this invoke custom function again and change this 49 here as for instance 50, and then OK. Now close and load, and that's it. Now it's been updated. That's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel, click the subscribe button, and see you next time, and thanks.